Do you want to create more engaging and effective videos? You should consider paying more attention to framing of your shots. Here are some specific reasons why framing is important. First, it creates visual interest and guides the viewer's attention where you want. For example, a wide shot helps you to establish the location where the scene plays out, and it shows the relation of your subject to the surrounding. Medium shot is often used to show the subject in context of their surroundings. It's used in conversations or dialogue scenes to show the expressions and reactions of the character. And a close-up is a more intimate shot, used to capture a specific feature or a detail, and it shows the character's emotions in a greater detail. The camera angle can also have a significant impact on the way that the viewer perceives a scene or a subject. Using a high angle makes the subject seem small and weak in comparison, and at the same time, using a low angle, you can create a sense of power or dominance. The eye level angle is a neutral one, and it's used most of the time. A Dutch angle is tilted, and it creates a sense of unease and disorientation or even sickness. And we cannot forget about the camera movement either. With the right camera movement, you can create different effects which help the flow of the scene. A pan is a horizontal turning of the camera on a static location, such as tripod. A slow pan adds the dramatic effect and allows the viewer to take in more of the scene, while a fast pan or a whip pan can create the scene of energy and excitement, but sometimes even panic. A tilt is very similar, except the movement is vertical, and it is usually used to reveal information, characters, or a scale of things. A dolly is a form of camera movement that follows the subject, and it also creates the sense of depth or perspective. We covered the different types of camera shots, angles and movements, and how to use them to create visual interest and tell a story through framing. I hope you feel more confident in your ability to frame shots and create visually compelling videos. If you want to continue learning and improving your skills, follow this course and you will find out all the basic information about videography. Thanks for joining us for this video. I hope you find it useful and that you are excited to start using these techniques in your own work. See you.